you're someone that is interested in the crypto market, but you don't know where to start, people have probably told you about signal groups. Now, most of these signal groups are actually pretty bad, and the traders behind them don't know how to trade. But today I'm going to tell you something that I've been using for the past year, and honestly, guys, this is the best service because they have access to hundreds of fully vetted and profitable signals groups. So if you are new to crypto, you just want to learn how to trade, you want to follow signals that are reputable, then this is the video for you because I'm going to tell you how you can get started with this completely for free. So this is Signal Peak, and what these guys do, they go out there and they find all of the signals groups. If they're bad signals groups, then they avoid them. If they are good, profitable signals groups, then they vet them, they test them, and they actually backtest all of the results of those signals groups. And what we will say here is they've actually found over 100 premium Telegram signals groups, contacted those guys, partnered with them, and have it all available for you right here on their platform through their Telegram bot. Now, that might sound complicated, but there's a reason these guys have been featured across the internet with all of these different PR outlets, and that is because they have found all of the best signals groups out there. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this for free to actually get this lifetime plan without needing to spend any money on subscriptions. First, what you're going to do is actually select this 1-day free trial here, and it's going to bring you to this Telegram link. From this Telegram link, you're going to open your Telegram on desktop with this little prompt, and then it's going to send you to this. So this is the Signal Peak bot, and this is basically how you get started and join the groups. So you can see here all of the top VIP groups, but that's not important right now. What we're trying to do is get that free access. So you can see here, this button right here is a 1-day free trial to any of these groups that you pick. So depending on your style of trading, whether you trade gold, crypto, or Forex, guys, you pick a group suited to you, and then you're going to get a 1-day free trial with that group. And the goal here, guys, is to use that signals group for the day, follow every signal as it comes through, and then your goal is to actually make $100. Once you've made $100, you're going to go for that 30-day free trial. And again, because you've made that through profit, it is still free because yes, you followed signals for free, you've got that money for free, and then you use that profit to reinvest back into the monthly plan. So then you're on a very good trajectory because now you've got 30 days for free. Throughout that 30 days, the goal is obviously to make $350 so you can get the lifetime deal here. With the lifetime, you're going to get access to all of the groups as well as a Glassnode Daily, which is a massive, massive thing. They have their own premium group here that normally you wouldn't have access to, but with Signals Peak, you actually get access to that as well. So the goal here, doing that for free, obviously go through all the channels you need to join. I personally love Easy Pips Gold or any kind of Easy Pips variation here. These guys put out daily signals. Okay, there's no gaps between days. If you're looking to get that free trial and then get the money in that first day, I would definitely be using Easy Pips. And actually, let's go in and look at Easy Pips VIP here. This is a signals group on the Signal Peak platform, and we can see here that they are putting through signals every single day, and they do get ridiculous results. I mean, just here, as you can see, the other day, we got take profit one hit for 20 pips, which is ridiculous. And then on this Australian USD pairing we got the other day, actually hit the third take profit for 100 pips. And what I love about this group as well is once you hit a take profit, they do say, hey, change your stop loss back to your entry in case price reverses. This just secures you a no loss scenario. If we hit that take profit, we make money, then we go back to our stop loss, which is at our break even point, then we have only made money here. We cannot lose money from that point. So definitely go join a group like this because the results are ridiculous. But one important point here, guys, that you should be listening to is if you join a group, don't go up and then find a signal and then try and get into that trade because that trade is now invalid. You want to be joining the group, waiting for the next signal, and then following that signal according to plan. But also another tip here, guys, is don't use all of your account. You can see here, use money management, 2 to 3% of your account for this trade. Do not overuse it. Do not go all in trying to win big. This is the worst way to actually lose all your money trading. So don't do that, okay? Only use small amounts of your account to aim for that $99. Once you got that $99, then obviously get the monthly subscription because then you're gonna have 30 days to follow these signals and make all of the money. So that is it. That is Signal Peak. You should definitely be checking this out in the description, guys, because this is the best way to make money for free. And if you are new to crypto, they actually give you TA and education in some of these groups as well, which is super beneficial to learn how to trade correctly. So let's go through these steps again here. You're going to get the free trial. You're going to aim to follow all those signals for that day, and then aim to get that 99 bucks for the 1 month subscription. Once you've got that, you've got 30 days to try and make 350 bucks for the lifetime subscription. And then you've got passive income from all of these fully vetted, reputable signals groups. No hassle, no mud. This is the best way to actually get going trading if you know nothing, or if you're just looking for some free wins. So fantastic stuff from Signal Peak. Definitely check them out in the description. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.